Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Blackheath. To start off with, we have VSET V9 departing platform 2 for a service to Lithgow, stopping all stations. I'll just take you guys for a walk down the platform. It is really cold today, and it's actually supposed to be snowing in some parts of the Blue Mountains, so hopefully at some point today we'll see some snow, but it's sort of unlikely at the moment. Blackheath has the colour-coded station signs, green seating. Beautiful weatherboard building. The next train on platform 2 is in 1 hour and 3 minutes to Mount Victoria. But that's not the train I'm waiting for. The train that I'm waiting for will be about 1 hour and 20 minutes or so. It is ice cold outside, so we've just come to wait in the waiting room here.
The picture of the famous 3801 steam loco here, and 3526. Also got USET cars too, also known as U-boats. VSET's replaced them in, I don't know what year, one of them.
And it's starting to snow. Yeah, the snowflakes are getting bigger. Alright, the snow is starting to get quite a bit heavier now.
No, not that close. No, not that bad. Come on. I can't see. You can't see.
We have a Mount Victoria service now arriving into platform number 2, V23. Anyway folks, that's all for this vlog. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, much appreciated. Bye for now.